shit blew up, yes.
Dang, you heard it?
What was that?
Look at all the things.
Oh my God,
Okay.
crazy.
Sorry, it was like that's bad.
It is a lot, y'all
Holy
can
crap.
about it.
There's a stupid woman with her kids in the stroller that's going over to the fire. She's taking her kids over to that fire. The cops even left from over there because it's so bad. The kids are just like abandoning the events and stuff and are running over to the fence.
Boy, I hope it does.
Oh, dude.
Did they say anything to you about?
I thought I
Did they say anything to you about going back?
I know, I'd be running and busting myself.
Wow! Holy shit! The truck just blew up. I mean, if you didn't hear that, it blew up. I'm filming it. I got the camera in my hand right now.
Oh my God! You can!
Wow. I mean, it is like an inferno.
Hey, where's the next one coming?
Yeah, a little bit, but it was already like fully engulfed, and then it exploded. I mean, it's like completely engulfed in flames, and the fire department is there and waiting for it to explode.
Gas tank?
This is everywhere.
They're there, but now they're starting to put it out. I think they were waiting for the gas tank to blow.
If you're not ready to compete, please get out of the infield.
Oh, yep, they're yelling at the kids to get off the field if they're not competing because of the explosion. The fire department's putting it out now.